Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to post multiple photos in one Instagram post. If you want to post a carousel in which you want to share multiple photos at once as a one post, then I'll show you how it can be done on Instagram. So first you have to make sure you have the latest version of Instagram. If not, then you can simply update it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once it is done, then you can open the Instagram and then you have to click on the plus icon that is in the middle at bottom and simply select the image that you want to use. Once you have selected the image, then you will see this option select multiple. You have to click onto it and then select all those images that you want to use. Simply click onto it, and once you're done you can click on next from the top. One more thing, that you can select up to 20 photos at once. So once you have selected your desired photos, then you can do all the editing like adding sound, text, filters, effects, and everything. Then you can click on the next option. Then you can add the other editing like adding the location, description, and then simply share the photos. Then it will just take a while in the processing, and once the processing is done you will see the multiple photos will be shared in the form of carousels on Instagram. So that's how you can share multiple photos in one post on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.